This is Soviet.Market Online. Here's the Vostok Amphibian watch. The manufacturer number of this watch is 090660. This watch is made in Russia. Manufacturer, Vostok Watch Factory. From the factory, the watch comes in the classic watch box. Russian papers included. Additionally, we added an English owner's manual into the box. This is a mechanical watch with options for manual and automatic winding for your convenience and comfort. You have no need to worry about winding the watch daily if the watch is worn regularly. Of course, it could be wound manually as well. Don't worry about overwinding the watch. It has an anti-overwinding function. This watch comes standard with a 12-hour analog dial. It also has a central second hand. The watch case is made of stainless steel. Case is matte. This model is also available in a polished case. Contact us for more info. The bezel rotates clockwise and counterclockwise. The bezel doesn't click when moving. The case diameter is 42 millimeters. The glass is acrylic. It protrudes above the watch case. The watch dial is analog with Arabic numerals. The hands and markings are plated with luminova and glow-in-the-dark. The reverse side of the watch is also made of stainless steel with the words water-resistant 200M, amphibian, automatic, and shockproof etched clearly in Russian. While 200M seems like a ton of leeway for scuba dives, it's best not to risk dives deeper than 10 meters. The crown is located at 3 o'clock. To wind the watch manually, simply unscrew the crown. Please note the crown glides freely even when properly attached and is not meant to be static. This is normal as part of a technical feature that enables Vostok's signature hand winding. There are 3 positions for the crown: screwed, unscrewed, and unscrewed pulled out. The winding pin can be seen in this state. In this crown position, you can set the time. It's important to screw the crown down after you've finished. The watch bracelet is made of stainless steel. The width of this bracelet is 22 millimeters. It includes a folding clasp with safety. Vostok brand metal watches can be adjusted in size. On the inside of the band, you'll find several small arrows on certain links. Only the pins from these links can be removed. The arrow indicates which direction the pin must be pushed. Simply push the pins in the specified direction to remove the link. Metal watch bands with removable links can also be adjusted at the clasp to change the length. Simply remove the spring bar and reinsert it into one of the pre-drilled holes. Here's the watch on my wrist. My wrist size is 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Visit Soviet.Market and join us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for your attention.